জানাচ্ছি যারা আমার চ্যানেল এখনো সাবস্ক্রাইব করো নাই অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে পরবর্তী টিউটোরিয়ালগুলো খুব সহজে পাওয়ার জন্য। তাহলে আজকে আমরা কি শিখবো? আজকে আমরা কিছু রাইমস শিখবো, ইংরেজি রাইমস। Rain on the green grass, rain on the trees, rain on the housetop, but not on me. Rain on the green grass, rain on the trees, rain on the housetop, but not on me. Cobbler, cobbler made my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down. Then I'll give you half a crown. Cobbler, cobbler made my shoe. Get it done by 2:30. Stitch it up and stitch it down. Then I will give you half a crown. Teddy bear, teddy bear. Turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, put on your shoes. Teddy bear, go to school. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, put on your shoes. Teddy bear, go to school. Here's my toothpaste, here's my brush. I won't hurry, I won't rush. Working hard to keep it clean, front and back and in between. When I brush for quite a while, I will have a happy smile. Here's my toothpaste, here's my brush. I won't hurry, I won't rush. Working hard to keep it clean, front and back and in between. When I brush for quite a while, I will have a happy smile. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Again, Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came down tumbling after. Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and purple shields, and pretty maids all in a row, and pretty maids all in a row. Again, Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and purple shields, and pretty maids all in a row. Twice, and pretty maids all in a row. Ding dong bell pushes in the well. Who put her in? Little Tommy Thin. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Stout. What a naughty boy was that, to try to drown poor pussy cat. Again, ding dong bell pushes in the well. Who put her in? Little Tommy Thin. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Stout. What a naughty boy was that, to try to drown poor pussy cat. Clap, 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 1, 2, 3, turn around and go to me. Hop, 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 1, 2, 3, turn around and go to me. Jump, 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 1, 2, 3, turn around and go to me. Dance, 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 1, 2, 3, turn around and go to me. Run, 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 1, 2, 3, turn around and go to me. Little Miss Muffet sat on a parapet, eating her curds and whey. There came a big spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Knock at the door. 5, 6. Pick up the sticks. 7, 8. Lay them straight. 9, 10. A big fat hand. Let's play the game of numbers. Tiggy, Tiggy, touch wood, my black hand. She lays eggs for a gentleman, sometimes 9 and sometimes 10. Tiggy, Tiggy, touch wood, my black hand. Mary had a little lamb, it's pleasant, white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. The cuckoo comes in April, he sings his song in May. In the middle of June, he changes his tune, and then he flies away. Wee Willie Winky runs through the town, up stairs and down stairs in his nightgown, rapping at the window, crying through the lock. Are the children there? Are the children in their beds? For it's past 8 o'clock. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such fun, and the dish ran away with the spoon. সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ।